Hello everybody, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to my channel. Sorry about the wind here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix a problem with your Benson Stepdeck clearance light, specifically the red ones. Basically, there's a little trickery. Basically, they don't make a lot of these lights for Benson available at the truck stops. You usually have to order them from a place and then install them yourself. But anyway, besides the point, I'm going to show you how to fix this. Okay guys, so these lights, I think you can buy them at any truck stop on a Benson Stepdeck. These the same. These things, no, you got to order them, and they're very easy to install and take off and replace. But specifically, these right here, LED lights, are hard. As you can see, I glued this. I grabbed some glue and glued this because these are so hard to replace actually. Basically guys, I'm going to show you pictures in this video. This is my pre-trip. One of them stopped working. I took one out, and at the end of every light they have these two wires, black and white, running out of the end of the LED light. What you're supposed to be able to do is get a flathead and pull it out and then just replace it by unplugging the wires and plugging the wires back in. But in this case, according to the pictures I showed you, the wires connecting to these lights broke right at the end of that tip. That's the pictures in this video I'm showing you. And basically, in order to properly repair these lights, what you have to do, guys, is you literally, and I mean literally, have to take off this whole bumper or take the welds off, because there, as you can see, there's absolutely nothing here that you can do to get to these lights. So what I ended up doing, guys, is there's a rubber gasket around here on the inside that makes these tight to come off or to put back in. There's like a little clip. So what I did was I cut the rubber clip off, and then I was able to, where the rubber clip was cut off, was able to run the wires there so that the wires don't get squished. And basically, guys, I was able to run the wires. This is temporary fix. So I was able to run it, and as you can see, my license plate light is on, and it turns on just like an on and off with the clearance light, this license plate light. I wired it to the license plate light. And if you are good with electrical skills, you should be able to wire it pretty easy. So after wiring it, put some glue on here and just glued it back in. So that's your temporary fix until you can get to a mechanic that will basically take these welds off or something just to get the lights fixed. So yeah, that is your case. This is the temporary fix on the lights. And there you have it, guys. That's how you temporarily fix your clearance lights. Sometimes you got to be smart in how to wire certain lights together in order to make it work. So it works, it works. That's all I can say. I wish, you know, I didn't have to have some weird contraption lights like that, but fortunately, that's the way it is. Just not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.